Good morning. Welcome to Skyfly Airlines. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing great, thank you. I'm flying to London this morning.
That's wonderful. May I please have your passport and ticket?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you, Emma. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
Perfect. Please place it on the scale. Great. It weighs 18 kilograms, which is under the limit. Do you have any carry-on bags?
Yes, I have this small backpack.
Excellent. Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I think I'd like a window seat, please.
No problem. You've been assigned a window seat in row 14. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight number is 214 and your gate is B12. Boarding begins at 9:45 a.m. and the flight departs at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you so much. What time should I arrive at the gate?
It's best to be at the gate at least 30 minutes before departure.
Got it. Is there time to grab some breakfast before boarding?
Definitely. The food court is just past the security checkpoint on your left.
Oh, perfect. I'll head there. One more thing. Where do I go for security?
Follow the signs that say Departures. You'll go through the security screening and passport control. After that, you'll find the food court and shops.
Okay, thank you for all your help, Mark.
You're very welcome, Emma. Have a safe and pleasant flight.
Good morning. Please place your laptop and liquids in separate bins.
Of course, here you go.
Great. And please remove your shoes and belt before walking through the scanner.
No problem.
Thank you. You're all set. Have a good flight.
Thanks, you too.
Good morning. May I please see your passport and boarding pass?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. You're in seat 14A, right by the window. You can start boarding now through gate B12.
Great. How long is the flight to London today?
It'll be around 8.5 hours. Dinner will be served after takeoff, and breakfast before landing.
That sounds good. Are there any movies or entertainment on board?
Yes, every seat has its own screen with movies, music, and games. Just plug in your headphones and enjoy.
Wonderful. I can't wait. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a comfortable and safe flight, Emma.
Good morning. Welcome aboard Skyfly Airlines. May I see your boarding pass?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is just down the aisle to the left. Let me help you with your luggage.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened and your phone is in airplane mode before takeoff.
Got it. Is there Wi-Fi on this flight?
Yes, once we reach cruising altitude, you'll be able to connect to our in-flight Wi-Fi network. Instructions are in the seat pocket in front of you.
Perfect. I'll check that out later.
Great. Would you like some water before takeoff?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Hello again, Emma. Would you like chicken or pasta for your meal today?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Certainly. Would you like something to drink with that? Juice, soda, or coffee?
I'll have some orange juice, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious. Excuse me, could I get a blanket, please? It's a little chilly.
Of course, here you go. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you so much. You've been very kind.
My pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing at London Heathrow in about 30 minutes. Please fasten your seat belts and make sure your seat backs and trays are in the upright position.
Emma, we'll be landing soon. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, thank you. I'm so excited to visit London.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your trip.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you be staying in the UK?
About 2 weeks.
Excellent. Enjoy your stay. Welcome to London.
Thank you very much.